Hello, and welcome to our topic of how math makes everything possible. Our group has chosen the topic of pi. Now firstly, what is pi? No, not that pi, maths pi. Pi is a number calculated by finding the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Pi has infinite digits. Its value is around 3.141592653589793 with a lot more digits. We use pi for calculating the geometry of circles, their area, circumference and radius. Now how exactly? To calculate the area of a circle, you multiply pi by the radius squared. To calculate the circumference or the distance around a circle, you double pi, then multiply it by the radius. To calculate the radius of a circle, you can use those two equations and switch them around, like using the area. So if I had a circular field, used for both games on the inside as the running track on the outside, I could find the area of the field for games and the distance around the track for running. I would first have to measure the radius of the field from the center point of the field to any point on the outside. Using the measurement, say 50 meters long, we can find the area. The area of the field used for games is pi multiplied by 50 squared, which equals 7,853.98 meters squared. And the circumference is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius, which equals 314.16 meters squared. So how do we use all of these equations to help us in the real world? While you may not use pi in your day-to-day activities, pi is used for most calculations for buildings and constructions, quantum physics, communications, music theory, medical procedures, air travel, and space flight, just to name a few. NASA regularly uses pi to calculate the trajectories of spacecraft. NASA uses a technique called pi transfer, used by the Cassini spacecraft to complete a maneuver to fly by Saturn's moon, Titan. NASA can also use pi to measure craters, find the size of planets outside our solar system, learn what asteroids are made of, keep spacecraft moving and getting better perspective on the planets. Also, without pi, we wouldn't have any tyres on our cars, which means we wouldn't be able to travel anywhere by road. So thank you to pi for making our world better. Thank you for listening to our topic of pi, and we hope you enjoyed.